Hello everyone, welcome to Na's Learning Corner. I hope that you're all doing great and having fun in learning English. If not, then you are at the perfectly right place. Today, my topic is, do you know the difference? Without wasting any time, let's get started. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe to my channel. Our first one is climate and weather. Climate is a long-term pattern, and weather is a short-term pattern. Like you can say it's cold weather, it's cloudy weather, so it's short-term pattern. Conversely, climate means something which is of long-term pattern, they follow the long-term pattern regarding the weather. Then we have a balcony and patio. Patio is a space on the ground floor. It's an open space where you can sit and relax. But balcony is on the upper floor. So the upper floor one, open space, is the balcony, and the ground floor one, that's called patio. Stairs and steps. Stairs are mostly the indoor places, like inside your house. These are stairs. But steps are for the outdoor ones generally. Have a river. River is a natural one. And canal. Canal is man-made. Then we have ice cream and sorbet. Ice cream is dairy based. It has milky and dairy texture. But the sorbet, it is dairy free. It is totally purely juice based. So it's dairy free, you can say. Sorbet. Then we have attic and cellar. Attic is near the ceiling to store non-food items. You can say like maybe some clothes or some stuff that you don't need right now. Non-food items near the ceiling, that's the attic. Then we have a cellar. Cellar is underground to store foodie items or for any kind of storage, but mostly it's for foodie items. So it is underground. That's cellar. Then we have castle and a palace. Palace and castle. Castle is built for safety and defense purposes. On the other hand, the palace is built for luxury and comfort. Then we have sea and ocean. Sea is enclosed by land, but ocean is boundaryless. It's wide, it's huge. Graveyards and cemetery. Graveyard is attached with church, but cemetery, it has no church attached. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you have learned a lot of difference in these words. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video. Bye bye.